What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save. Number 1. Pay attention to it. I realize that creation jokes and being senseless can truly facilitate the earnestness of sex and make it light and fun. In any case, on the off chance that you need to truly discover how to have intercourse to a lady, you'll need to be not kidding about it. Put the jokes and clever shenanigans in a safe spot for the evening and put on a progressively genuine, close tone. Not exclusively will she have the option to feel the distinction in your enthusiastic state during sex, yet she'll additionally have the option to feel exactly how genuine you are about her. And that will convert into some extraordinary lovemaking. Number 2. Foreplay ought to be enthusiastic. Regularly, your foreplay may be extraordinary and physical in any event. I trust it is. When you get to the foreplay parcel when you're attempting to have intercourse to a lady, however, it must be significantly more passionate than it is physical. This doesn't simply begin when you return home. This ought to be begun during the day with sweet, cherishing instant messages sent her direction. This sort of foreplay truly addresses her enthusiastic side and will get her in the sentimental mindset for some incredible sex later on. Number 3. The whole night ought to be sentimental. You can't simply make the sex sentimental and call it having intercourse. You need to set up the whole state of mind for lovemaking so as to effectively have intercourse to your lady. Have a go at having a delightful and wanton supper that is modest lit with a great deal of discussion encompassing your affections for her. You'll get extra focuses in the event that you cook the dinner yourself. Number 4. Ensure the lighting is diminish. To set the state of mind for having intercourse to a lady, you'll need to keep the lighting exceptionally diminish and sultry. I recommend lighting a few candles to give the sort of climate that cultivates those hot shadows you here and there find in films. The subsequent she sees the candles, she'll realize this is a day for lovemaking and not simply sex. Number 5. Toss on some moderate, hot music. None of that crushing, pounding music that starts the fast-paced sex you're so used to. Set up the temperament with some moderate jazz or other mindset music with an increasingly slow pace. This won't just help you to remember the disposition you're attempting to assemble, yet it'll likewise keep your sex moderate and sentimental. Similarly as it ought to be the point at which you're attempting to have intercourse,